Have you ever wondered where the applications you use every day, or the critical data your business relies on, actually live and get processed? At its core, deployment options refer to where your computing resources are physically located and who manages them. The two primary approaches are cloud deployment and on-premises deployment. Cloud deployment means your applications and data are hosted on servers owned and maintained by a third-party provider and accessed over the internet. On-premises deployment means your organization owns, hosts, and manages all the hardware and software within its own physical data centers. The fundamental difference lies in ownership and responsibility. With cloud deployment, you leverage a provider's infrastructure, gaining flexibility and outsourcing much of the operational burden. This model typically shifts costs from large capital expenditures to predictable operational expenses. On the other hand, on-premises deployment offers your organization complete control over its entire computing environment, from hardware to security configurations, which can be crucial for specific regulatory compliance or highly sensitive data. When deciding between these two, consider your specific needs. Start by evaluating your regulatory and compliance requirements. Does your industry demand strict data sovereignty or specific security protocols that are best met with full on-premises control? Next, assess your budget. Cloud often has a lower upfront cost and scales with usage, while on-premises requires significant initial investment in hardware, software, power and cooling, plus ongoing maintenance staff. Lastly, think about scalability. Cloud environments can rapidly scale resources up or down to meet fluctuating demands, whereas on-premises scalability involves purchasing and installing new hardware, which takes time and planning. Many organizations find a hybrid approach to be the sweet spot, combining the best aspects of both worlds. For instance, you might keep sensitive data on premises for maximum control while leveraging the cloud for flexible, scalable applications. This allows you to manage total cost of ownership by strategically placing workloads where they make the most sense. Another emerging concept is edge computing, which can be seen as a localized form of cloud, bringing processing closer to the data source to minimize latency and bandwidth usage. Understanding these deployment options is not just a technical exercise, it is a strategic business decision. By carefully weighing factors like control, cost, scalability, and compliance, you can align your infrastructure choices with your organizational goals, optimizing performance, security, and resource allocation to truly drive your business forward.